Now we will see some more examples of Savarna Dirgha Sandhi so that you can understand this in a better way. Pathat avagachat. Pankti dvayam pathat. Nasti vidya samo bandhuhu. Here Sandhi word is nasti. Just now we have seen na plus asti. This is example of a plus a is equal to a nasti. Narasya rupam. Narasya is Sandhi word and two words given are here. Two words given here are Narasya plus abharanam. This is example of a plus a is equal to a. Now what is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi? I will explain you once again. When two homogeneous vowels or sajatiya swar come one after the other, there is long homogeneous vowel in place of the two homogeneous vowels. Now we will see examples given here. Children, a plus a will be a plus a will also result in and a plus a will be a only and a plus a will be a only. Now we will see some examples. Nava plus api. Answer is navapi. This is example of a plus a. In va we have a and api is beginning with a. So a plus a is a navapi. Next is dash plus atra is equal to tathatra. Here the fill-up will be tatha plus atra. Answer will be tathatra. This is example of a plus a. Next is lekhanasya plus ashayah is lekhanasyaashayah. Lekhanasyaashayah. This is example of a plus a. Lekhanasya is ending with a and ashayah is beginning with a. So this is example of a plus a. Children, I will tell you one more example of a plus a. Vidya plus alayah. In this example, Vidya is ending with a and alayah is also beginning with a and the answer is Vidyalayah. Now we will see examples given in a section. E, Rasva E plus Rasva E is Dirgha E. Dirgha E plus Dirgha E will be Dirgha E only and Rasva E plus Dirgha E will be again Dirgha E as well as Dirgha E plus Rasva E. Answer will be same Dirgha E. In all possible combinations, answer will be Dirgha E only. We will see examples. Pathati plus iti is pathatiti. Children, pathati is ending with rasva e and iti is beginning with rasva e. Rasva e plus rasva e will result in dirgha e, pathatiti. Next is nadi plus iva, nadiva. Nadi, this word is ending in dirgha e. Plus iva is beginning with rasva e. Answer will be dirgha e only. Next is pari plus iksha. Pari is ending with Rasva E, and Iksha is beginning with Dirgha E. So Rasva E plus Dirgha E, the result will be same Dirgha E, Pariksha. Now we will see E section. Again U plus U will be Dirgha U. Dirgha U plus Dirgha U will be again Dirgha U, and Rasva U plus Dirgha U or Dirgha U plus Rasva U result will be same Dirgha U only. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. First example is Guru plus Upadesha. Here Guru is ending with U, Upadesh is starting with U. Result will be Dirgha U, Guru Upadesha. Next is Vadhu. Vadhu, this word is ending in Dirgha U. Vadhu plus Utsaha. Answer will be Vadhutsaha. Then Bhanu is ending in Rasva U. Bhanu plus Urja, result will be Bhanurja. It will result in Dirgha U. Now we will study E section. Ru plus Ru will be Dirgharu. Rasvaru plus Rasvaru will be Dirgharu. Dirgharu plus Dirgharu will be Dirgharu. And Rasvaru plus Dirgharu will be Dirgharu. Or Dirgharu plus Rasvaru. Result will be same Dirgharu only. First is Matru plus Rinam. Matru, this word ends in Ru, and Runam is beginning with Ru. Ru plus Ru will be Dirgharu, Matrunam. Pitru plus Rutam, Pitrutam. Answer is Rutam. Bhratru plus Rushabaha, Bhratrushabaha will be the answer. So the combination of similar letters is called as Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.